बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम अल्लाहुम्मा रब्बि ज़िदनी इल्मा सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम आमीन अल्हम्दुलिल्लाहि रब्बिल आलमीन. We should be fair to others. Lecture 5 Trigonometry. In this lecture I will discuss the sketches of these types, and this is the hint. Draw the table for the values of theta and y by using the calculator. Now these are these. Sketch number 1. So in this sketch, we have to sketch this function theta plus 90 for this domain. Well, this is very simple. You just need to get the period. Since this is 1 theta, so the period of this function is 360. And interval gaps. Interval widths are p upon 4. That means 360 upon 4 makes 90. So you just need to take values with the gap of 90. You can either use calculator and you can do this mentally. So when you will put 0 here, you will get sine 90, and sine 90 is 1. When you will put 90 here, you will get 180. Sine 180 is 0. So you can do in this way. So once you will get the values in this table, you can just sketch the curve. These are the points. Plot the points correctly, and you can easily sketch this curve. This is the way to sketch curves of these types. Now the next example. This is the next example. So we have to sketch cos theta plus 90 for this domain. Again, the period is 360 degree, intervals are of 90 degrees. Make the table, draw the table for the values of theta and y, and then you can easily sketch the curve. So these curves are very simple. In fact, all sketches are very simple. You can just draw the table and then sketch the curves if you want. This is example number 3. Again, see, we made the table for the values of theta, and then we sketched the curve. And this is y, in fact. You need to label the axis. Otherwise, you will lose 1 mark. Now, this is example number 4, and this is 2 theta. Make sure you will first find the period. So the period of this curve is 180, and intervals are of 45. So you need to take values of 45 difference. And you don't need to make the table for 360. This is 360, but you just make the table for 180 because the period is 180. And this is one curve, and the next will be periodic. So this is the way to construct the table and draw the curve. Next example is of tan theta plus 45. So, and the domain is 360. This is 360 degrees. Well, again, draw the table, and then you can easily sketch the curve. This is y, this is x. Just plot the points and sketch the curve. This is 45. And this is the last question, the last example. This is of negative coefficient. So the curve will be inverted, but you don't need to do anything. You just need to draw the table, and then you can easily draw the curve. This is y. Well, this is all. I have discussed almost all the concepts of trigonometry of first year math. If you will watch all my lectures and then if you will practice a lot, then you will be good at this chapter, inshallah. Inshallah, I will discuss the solution of important questions in my next lectures, inshallah. Allah Hafiz.